Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can link or connect GCash to Alipay. So you can connect to Alipay through the GCash Global Pay feature, which allows you to scan and pay at Alipay Plus merchants in selected countries, or through a linked GCash Mastercard if you have one. So direct bank account linking is not an option, but you can transfer funds from Alipay HK to GCash. So method number one is to use GCash Global Pay. So this method allows you to use your GCash balance to pay at merchants in supported countries like Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea, and Japan. So what you're gonna do is just open your GCash, and from here you wanna go ahead and click on the QR at the bottom, this one. So from here, just click on this Pay Abroad with Alipay. And then you just have to either scan a merchant's QR code or generate your own QR code for the cashier to scan. And then you just have to confirm the amount to pay and then tap the pay to confirm the transaction. And then for method number two is to use a linked GCash Mastercard. So if your GCash card has a Visa or Mastercard logo, you can use it to make payments within Alipay. So you just have to open your Alipay application and go to your profile or the Me section, and then navigate to bank cards and select add card. And you just have to enter the details of your GCash Mastercard just as you would with any other credit or debit card. And then Alipay will then just have your GCash card linked and you can use it for payments. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!